Welcome to tax2290.com. You can now access using your Facebook account to e-file Form 2290. Already registered with us, click Sign In to start your filing. To create a new account, click Register and fill in your details. Fill in all the mandatory fields with your personal contact information to create a new account with tax2290.com and hit Submit. Once your user registration is confirmed, click Start Your Return to continue your HVUT filing. Fill in your business details. Make sure you complete all the mandatory fields about your business and the personal contact information. You may even add multiple businesses to your user account. The Multiple Businesses tab is on the top. Do not forget to read any disclaimers you find on the page to understand the processes involved. Hit Save to proceed with your filing. Verify your business details and click Modify to edit. If you are OK, select Continue on the bottom right to proceed with your filing. Choose the appropriate form, Form 2290, Heavy Highway Vehicle Use Tax Return, which is on the top of the list to e-file your tax return for the business you just added. Choose the correct tax year and month first used from the drop-down list. Mark the return as final if you no longer be filing any HVUT for the correspondent business. Select Continue to proceed. Choose what you are about to report to the IRS. Answer the questions to complete your HVUT filing. In case of reporting taxable vehicle, select Yes and click Continue to proceed. Click on Add Vehicle button on the top right to fill in your vehicle identification number and gross weight information on a pop-up screen, and click Save and add another to add multiple vehicles. Else click Save if you're done with adding vehicles. Review your taxable vehicle's details added to the return. In case if you need to edit, click on the VIN to modify. To delete, click on the cross mark to remove it. Review your tax amount calculated by our built-in calculator on the bottom right corner of this page, or review it anytime by hovering over the Tax Meter tab on the top right corner and hit Continue. Select Yes to authorize a third person to discuss your tax return with IRS. Enter the designee's name, phone number, and a 5-digit PIN, or select No if this is not applicable. Click Continue to proceed. Select Yes if you approve IRS to disclose your HVUT information to other federal agencies. Enter any 5-digit number to assign the return as your consent. Or select No if you do not wish to consent and hit Continue. Find your return summarized on Summary page. You may click on the links provided next to each information to modify, or if you are pleased with your information, click Error Check for us to analyze your tax information further. Once we finish analyzing and your tax return report shows no errors, click Continue to proceed further. Choose the format in which you would want to file your returns to the IRS. IRS always recommends to e-file, as it is safe, secured and reliable. Click Continue to proceed. A brief summary of the total tax amount that is due to the IRS review, and click Continue to proceed. You can make your payments to the IRS either through direct debit, EFTPS, or by sending a check or money order to the IRS directly. Choose whichever means convenience to you, and proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Select the package that best fits to your business function and press Continue. Select Yes and enter your cell phone number if you wish to receive a text alert as soon as there is an update from the IRS about your tax return status. Otherwise, please choose No and Continue. Select Yes and enter your fax number if you wish to receive your IRS stamped Schedule 1 copy on your fax machine as soon as it is stamped by the IRS. Otherwise, please press No and Continue. Enter a promotion code if you have any to benefit discounts out of it. Or else select No and Continue. Review the summary of fees and discounts below, click Continue to proceed. key in your precise credit card and address details, and then click the Pay Now button to complete your payment process. Once your credit card payment gets successfully processed, you can review and print a receipt for the payment. Click Continue to proceed. You may review and validate your rough 2290 PDF copy by clicking the icon Tax Form 2290 along with your other business and tax details in new window. Before getting it transmitted to the IRS, click Continue to proceed. You can pass our sponsor page by hitting Yes, I'm interested if the sponsor ad is related and needed for you. If not, click No thanks and continue. Enter any 5-digit number of your choice to complete the IRS electronic signature part and click Continue. Transfer your 2290 tax return to the IRS for processing by clicking Transmit to the IRS. Now your return is successfully transmitted to the IRS for processing. You may click on View and Print to view and save the transmitted return in a new window. Click Go Home to access the My Home page to view your dashboard. Make sure your return status shows as transmitted. Congratulations! You are done with filing your return successfully. The IRS stamp Schedule 1 copy will be reaching your mailbox or fax machine once it is authorized by the IRS. Schedule 1 copy will be made available under Schedule 1. You may click to view and print. Thank you. Feel free to call our help desk 1-866-245-3918 or write to us at support@taxexcise.com. Have a great e-filing experience.